Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, The Plumbing Gurus. On this channel, is striving to save you money and keep you informed on all the proper plumbing practices. This is a hydronic job that we did, also some plumbing. A little bit different here on how we did this job, so stay tuned and check it out. So we'll start over here. So in this corner, right in this corner, they had a boiler system that was outside on the deck in a little shed. You can kind of see the shed built out there. But we disconnected that. So those two 1/2-inch lines there that were heating up this whole floor here, excuse the mess, it's still under construction. We're heating up this floor. So they would ran into the boiler that was in this little outside cavity here for them. Anyway, so we rerouted them and we brought them back into this room here. So this room here had a step up here, and this was a big renovation we did. So the step up was here, and the reason why it was stepped up, it was because all this plumbing here was ran in this area here. So this is a garage pad. So they just ran the plumbing above the garage pad instead of jacking the garage pad out. So luckily for us, I had to jackhammer through some pretty extensive concrete that was very difficult to jackhammer through. It was about 7 inches in some spots, even 7.5 inches. So anyways, so what we did is we just ran some in-floor heating as well in this bathroom for them. I'll zoom out a little for you so you can kind of see a little better. So here there's going to be an island tub. These two water lines in the back are going to be servicing the deck-mounted faucets that the island tub's going to be using. And here we brought the manifold. We're going to build the manifold inside of the cabinet for the sink. So it's going to be a little tight in there, but that's kind of the best we could do. I might actually end up relocating this water line here out of the way. And we have our air test, which is still holding perfect. It's good to check those things. And these two lines coming up on the side are the supply return mains. So, and that's it for the heating. There's nothing really fancy in here. It was just kind of try to spread the heat around as best as we could. So we ran thermostat wire with the in-floor sensor, which you can see right here. The wire just runs into this pipe here, runs up the wall, and runs up into here. So that will be tied in with the thermostat so we can get a floor sensor. Yeah, and then I ran a new wire for the thermostat for the master bedroom. That red wire that's in that wall there, you can see on the insulation. That runs all the way back to the mechanical room. So here they're gonna have a sink. That's the vent for the sink. Another sink is gonna be here, and that's the vent for the sink just right above here. And that just runs up and out and ties into the rest of the house with that vent. And here is the toilet. So, and they're going to be building, if you're wondering why the water lines aren't ran for the shower valve yet, is because they're going to be building a 2x6 wall right across here. And it's going to go all the way up, and it's going to go all the way over and all the way back down, like a perimeter around the whole shower. And that's where we're going to run our water lines through. So you can see they already have dropped the ceiling down. So yeah, and that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys like our work. Thank you.